Hello everyone. In this short video I just want to show you few commands which can really be helpful. Okay, if you are new to Linux and you want to see how you can navigate around inside a terminal, so these are the few commands. So basically right now I'm in my terminal, and terminal is basically where you interact, you give commands, it executes it and show you the output. Okay, so you are at your terminal, which is also called bash, which stands for born again shell. So first command, you can see that you want to see who is the user. So if you type who am I, you will see username. Okay, second command will be to know what is your present working directory. If you type pwd, you will see your present working directory. Right now I am at /home/vasu. Okay, so this is my present working directory. Now third command can be to show what is present at your present working directory. So if you type ls, so this will list all the folders and files of your current working directory. And you can also move around or change the directory is basically your folder. Okay, right now I am at vasu folder, and I can change it to any folder. If I type change directory command, which is actually cd basically stand for change directory to, let's say, work. Okay, so if you go to work, you will change the directory. Now if you type pwd, now your directory has been changed. So I am inside vasu, inside work. And if I can see what is its insights, okay, so this is my two folders inside work. Now I want to go back where I was, so I can type cd dash dash dot dot, and it will move again back to my previous folder. I can also jump to any folder from any path. So right now I am at, and your root is basically your starting point of your Linux. Okay, so if you type slash, you will reach to root, and root contains a lot of things. You don't want to mess with these folders and files if you are new to Linux. So just want to show you that this is your root folder, and it contains a lot of folders and files. Now I can again move back to my home username folder, so I can type cd. This is the key above your tab, and if I type it, I am again back to where I was. Okay, so these are few navigation around. Okay, so I can also show one command, which is basically tree is will show you everything in this folder, and just show me. So it show you this kind of tree where you can see what is inside everything. Okay, so this command is tree, and it you have to install this basically. So you can say sudo apt install tree if you have not previously installed it. So it asks for my password. Okay, so I have already installed it, will not take time. So tree is already in the newest version. Okay, so if you type tree again, so it will show you like this. Okay, now in this folder, okay, now right now you can also type clear command. Basically will clear whatever present your at your terminal. So it just move back to fresh, give you the fresh start. Now you have typed clear command. Okay, you can also like say ls and use control L for clear key, so it is same. Now I want to show you how you can make a folder or how you can make a file. So right now in this in my present working directory, these are the folders. So if I want to create a folder, let's say I want to create a folder named test, so I can say mkdir, which stands for make directory. So I can give any name, like say I want to say test, so it will create a test folder for me. If I see this, now test has been created. So you can see this is test, this folder has been created. Now you can go like you can move to test. Okay, so right now if you type ls, there's nothing inside test, but you can make a file. Let's say how you can make a file. You can just simply say touch will create a file. You have to give name to the file. Let's say touch hello.txt. So your file has been created. If you see ls, so this file is basically. Now I want to show graphical user interface just to show what is happening here. So if I type window e, so okay, so I have created this folder which has not been present when I started, but now I have created this folder. If I go inside it, I can see hello.txt file is there. Okay, so if I open this file, I see there's nothing inside it. You can type anything. Let's say hello world. Okay, okay, so if I save this file, so your file was already created. If you want to see what is inside your file, you can see cat command, cat hello.txt. Okay, so you can see we have type hello world inside hello test, and you can see it is reflecting you if you typed cat command. Okay, so let's say you want to edit your file, you can use vim mode or any terminal, any editor. Like if I type vim hello.txt, okay, and if I type hello world, how is everyone, okay. Okay, so if I again see a cat hello.txt, I can see I have. So you can do everything from terminal. You don't have to switch back to GUI or graphical user interface. So this is basically few commands. Now you have created your folder and file, you want to remove your folder and file. So for you that you can do rm, just stand for remove. If you will say rm hello.txt, then it will permanently remove this file. So right now if I say ls, no file is there. Okay, so if you move back to cd, okay, now you want to remove this test folder. Let's say you just type test, so it will not remove right now, cannot remove because it is a directory. So remove is used to remove the file, but if you use rm r, which is say recursive remove, so you can remove your test folder also. Now your test folder is also removed. Okay, so I think I have covered those few basic commands which can make your Linux journey far simpler, because most of the Linux user use terminal for their work, and if you are new to Linux, then you want to switch to Linux terminal as soon as possible. Okay, so so these are the few commands which will make it easy to switch to terminal. So I guess, I hope I have shown, I must be forgetting few small commands. So that's all everyone, and thanks for watching.